766 kilometers. From one single charge. In a wagon, the 2026 Mercedes CLA Shooting Brake is the first electric estate Mercedes has ever built. And with range numbers that embarrass cars twice its price, BMW and Audi suddenly have a very big problem. But that's not even the most impressive part. The design language is unmistakably new Mercedes. But the shooting brake silhouette takes it somewhere the sedan simply can't go. That shark nose front, with 142 illuminated stars behind the panel, gives it a presence that no crossover in this segment can match. The profile is identical to the CLA sedan up to the B-pillar. But beyond that, the roofline stretches back with just enough slope to look athletic, without sacrificing headroom. At 4,723 millimeters long, it's grown over its predecessor, and every millimeter went into making this thing look like it belongs in a higher price bracket. The interior is where Mercedes dropped its biggest flex. The optional MBUX Superscreen spans the entire dashboard with 3 displays, a 10.25-inch driver screen, a 14-inch central touchscreen, and a 14-inch passenger display. The whole system runs on Mercedes' brand new MB.OS operating system powered by the Unity game engine, which means 3D graphics that genuinely look like they belong on a gaming console. Navigation is Google Maps based for the first time in a Mercedes, combining live traffic data with the brand's own charging network intelligence. The material quality punches well above this price point. Soft touch surfaces, sustainable materials, and ambient lighting that flows through the door trims. But here's what might actually seal the deal over any electric SUV on the market right now. That panoramic roof doesn't just look incredible, it features 158 illuminated stars that connect to the ambient lighting. A switchable starry sky in a compact wagon. Mercedes essentially put S-Class tech in a car 2 classes below. The boot holds 455 liters with seats up, expanding to 1,290 liters with the 40-20-40 split bench folded flat. There's also a 101-liter frunk under the hood, and standard roof rails rated to 75 kilograms. Towing capacity hits 1,500 kilograms. Try that in a Tesla Model 3. 200 kilowatts of power. That's 272 horsepower from a single rear motor paired with a 2-speed transmission. The real headline is the 800-volt architecture pulling up to 320 kilowatts at a DC fast charger. 10 minutes adds 310 kilometers of range. The 85 kilowatt-hour battery delivers up to 766 kilometers maximum range on a single charge. Those are numbers that make the BMW i4 look like last year's tech. At roughly 58,000 euros, the CLA Shooting Brake costs about 2,000 more than the sedan, and there is nothing else like it on the market. An electric wagon with S-Class tech, 700+ kilometers of range, and a body style that BMW and Audi simply refuse to build. If you've been waiting for a reason to ditch the SUV, Mercedes just gave you one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.